Good evening. Thanks for joining us. I'm Dustin Lukey. That lawsuit announced by Governor Tony Evers and Attorney General Josh Kaul at the Town of Campbell Library today is being hailed as a breakthrough for advocates and local residents who still can't safely use their tap water for drinking and cooking more than 2 years later. News 19's Colton Emsweiler shares why supporters say the legal battle ahead was a long time coming.
Inside a library on French Island, a different kind of story was told as Governor Evers announced a new lawsuit against those the state views as responsible for contaminating water supplies statewide.
These manufacturers knew or should have known that their products could harm public health, pollute our waters, and our natural resources. But rather than warning consumers and users of associated risks and harms to their products and PFAS, these polluters concealed these dangers and even downplayed them to our families, communities, and Wisconsinites.
And beyond harming the people of the Badger State, Attorney General Josh Kaul claims companies like 3M and DuPont were negligent in the manufacturing and marketing of the so-called forever chemical.
We've also alleged that those companies knew for decades the dangers that PFAS posed to human health, the fact that it moved in water, and the fact that PFAS was accumulating in people's blood. We have alleged that those companies took measures to protect the health of their own employees, but did not notify the public of the danger that PFAS contamination caused.
And a potential outcome of the lawsuit would be financial reimbursement to residents affected by PFAS, but some feel the damage is already done.
As I look out here today and I see my friends and my neighbors, especially those with young children who used to be able to drink from the hose or blow bubbles in their bathtub, their lives have changed, and so have ours. And now we must teach our children that drinking from the tap water is toxic.
Now the state enters a legal battle, one that pits counselors with corporations. Reporting from French Island, I'm Colton Emsweiler, WXOW News 19.
And while PFAS legislation has failed to pass in the Wisconsin legislature, Lee Donahue adds that the town of Campbell has been speaking with state officials weekly in order to take some form of action against the fight against the chemical compounds that have been linked to cancer, thyroid issues, birth defects, and other adverse health issues. Now, responding to the lawsuit today, the Wisconsin Manufacturers and Commerce, the state's largest business advocacy group, issuing a statement calling the suit a political stunt that will only benefit the California lawyers involved. Now, the statement continues to say, in part, the lawsuit sends a chilling message to manufacturers and middle-class workers. We expect to have that full statement this evening on our website, wxow.com.